Hi, my name is NAPHAT TUNTIKAEWPRAYOTH from Secondary 4/3, number 20. Today, I'm going to explain you about how can I make the program assignment 4. Let's start. Okay, let's start from number 19 first. We will program the program to calculate percentage and grade that the question give. So, we do first is include STDIO, that stands for standard input and output, and then main function that have main addresses, and we have to declaration their value, and this stands for physics, chemical, biology, mathematics, and computer. And then we use printf to make a result to have this take enter 5 subjects marks. Full marks are 100 for each subject, and then we have to input the mark of each subject that have 5 subjects, right? And then we use scanf to the focus at the score that we put it uh, in the back of this. That that is this is physical, and second is chemical, third biology, fourth is mathematics, and the last one is computer. And we have to classes and classes together to make average score. We have to class it together 5. And float, we use float because maybe it's being decimal. This is for real value, but integer is for whole number that don't have any decimal. But float can have it, can have the decimal. So these 5 subjects class together and divided by 5, we got average percentage that we put it right here and printf. Then this is for the float that put the value of the score that we put 5 subjects and class together and be in here to be a percent. And we use condition, that is if score that we class it together and divided by 5 is more than or equal to 90, so we put grade A in this. But if not, we use else if to if it's not this, it's false, and then do the next program. So it's else if score more than or equal 80, so grade B, more than equals 20, so grade C, D, E, F. This last one. If more than or equal to 40 is false. So if it's true, so we've got grade E. But if not, so if it's false, so we got less than 40, so we put grade F. That means we fail. And this is all of the first program in number 19. So we have a result like this. Okay, we put that full marks are 100, right? So we maybe maybe 100 in computer. So we got grade B. Well, congratulations is right here. 88%. That we put 5 number and plus 6 together and got average that is 88%. We got grade B. Okay. Um, the next program is 20. Let's start. Okay, the second program is the program to calculate is the gross salary that the question given. Okay, so first we have to put the include stdio as same as the first program and main function, and float BS is stand for basic salary, GS stand for gross salary, and HRA and DA. Why we use float? Because we always have a chance to be decimal. So um, we use float to decay, and we put printf to put basic salary of an employee, and we have to put the number of salary that we have to calculate the gross salary, and we use scanf to focus at it, and yours is that is to be basic salary that we put it in the back of this, and we use condition to calculate the gross salary like this. If false to be like this, and this is false to be like this. If it's true, so calculate it, and then if it's true, and then go to this. GS equal to basic salary plus HRA and plus DA, and we have to printf to show the gross salary that we have calculated already. So the result must be like this. Wait a minute. So if we put maybe 30,000, it will be 67,500, because we is use this. If it's equal to 30,000, so we so HRA is 30% and DA is 95%, and then plus it together and will be 67,500. Thanks for listening.